Today Oppo K1 hands-on, full review. Oppo K1 has been launched in China as the company's first smartphone in the K series. The USP of Oppo's new handset is the presence of an inch display fingerprint sensor. The other key highlights of the smartphone include a 6.4-inch display, Snapdragon 660 processor, dual rear cameras, 25-megapixel selfie camera, and more. Notably, it comes in 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM variants. The Oppo K1 is a mid-range handset that will compete with smartphones in the sub-Rs 20,000 segment. The pre-orders for the smartphone has already started in its home country and will go on sale later this month. The Oppo K1 runs ColorOS 5.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The smartphone sports a 6.4-inch, 1080 by 2340 pixels, Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 91% screen-to-body ratio. It is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, clocked up to 2.2 GHz. As mentioned, the Oppo K1 comes in 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM variants. In terms of optics, the Oppo K1 houses a dual camera setup at the back with a 16-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor. On the front, there is a 25-megapixel selfie camera. Oppo K1 price. The Oppo K1 has been priced at 1,599 Chinese yuans, roughly Rs. 17,100, for the 4GB RAM/64GB inbuilt storage variant, while the 6GB RAM/64GB variant costs 1,799 Chinese yuans, roughly Rs. 19,300. The smartphone ships in two color gradient models, Mocha Red and Van Gogh Blue. The pre-orders for the Oppo K1 in its home country has already started and will go on sale.